What is climate change? Climate change, or global warming, is the process of our planet heating up. Scientists estimate that since the Industrial Revolution, human activity has caused the Earth to warm by approximately 1 degree Celsius. While that might not sound like much, it means big things for people and wildlife around the globe. Unfortunately, rising temperatures don't just mean that we'll get nicer weather, if only. The changing climate will actually make our weather more extreme and unpredictable. As temperatures rise, some areas will get wetter and lots of animals, and humans, could find they're not able to adapt to their changing climate. What causes climate change? Number 1. Burning fossil fuels. Over the past 150 years, industrialized countries have been burning large amounts of fossil fuels such as oil and gas. The gases released into the atmosphere during this process act like an invisible blanket, trapping heat from the sun and warming the earth. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Number 2. Farming. Believe it or not, cows' eating habits contribute towards climate change. Just like us, when cows eat, methane, a type of greenhouse gas, builds up in their digestive system and is released in the form of a burp. This might sound funny, but when you imagine that there are almost 1.5 billion cows releasing all that gas into the atmosphere, it sure adds up. Number 3. Deforestation. Forests absorb huge amounts of carbon dioxide, another greenhouse gas, from the air, and release oxygen back into it. The Amazon rainforest is so large and efficient at doing this that it acts like our planet's air conditioner, limiting climate change. Sadly, many rainforests are being cut down to make wood, palm oil and to clear the way for farmland, roads, oil mines, and dams. How will climate change affect the planet? The Earth has had many tropical climates and ice ages over the billions of years that it's been in existence, so why is now so different? Well, this is because for the last 150 years human activity. A warmer climate could affect our planet in a number of ways. More rainfall, changing seasons, shrinking sea ice, rising sea levels. How will people be affected by climate change? Climate change won't just affect animals, it's already having an impact on people, too. Most affected are some of the people who grow the food we eat every day. Farming communities, especially in developing countries, are facing higher temperatures, increased rain, floods and droughts. Farmers might then resort to using cheap chemicals to improve their crop to earn more money, even when long-term use of chemicals can destroy their soil. How can I help prevent climate change? Small changes in your own home can make a difference. 2. Try switching to energy-saving light bulbs, walking instead of using the car, turning off electrical items when you're not using them, recycling and reducing your food waste. All these little things can make a difference. You can check out more eco-friendly ideas in our Kids Guide to Saving the Planet.